Artoonza.
Hey, before we zoom off, smash that like button. Yes, with your whole hand, your elbow, your nose, whatever works. All right, scooter superstars and brush bosses. Buckle your helmets, because today we're not just drawing any scooter. Oh, no. We're drawing a scooter with a top case trunk. Because why ride plain when you can ride fancy? Imagine your scooter carrying all your snacks, your toys, and maybe your little sibling. Just kidding. There are rules. Now grab your markers because we're about to go from a blank paper to the coolest, shiniest, most glittery scooter you've ever seen.
Wow!
Yellow, reddish, brown, glitter silver, glitter black, light green, glitter pink. This scooter is basically wearing a party outfit.
Aw, so cute.
And trust me, by the time we hit the coloring section, your jaw will drop so hard it might actually vroom away. Stay with us. The best part is coming right now. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Our scooter just woke up and chose sunshine. We're dripping yellow like it's liquid gold straight from the sun's breakfast bowl. Watch those gorgeous drops fall. Plop, plop, plop. Like tiny yellow raindrops that never got the memo about being ordinary. Now, grab that brush and sweep it across like you're painting the happiest morning ever. This scooter isn't just yellow, darlings. It's radiating, I'm the coolest ride on the block energy. Give us a big thumbs up. Now comes the reddish-brown, rich, warm, and chocolatey enough to make you hungry. This scooter means serious, stylish business.
Aw, so cute.
Plot twist. Our scooter just got invited to a fancy gala. Glitter silver is sliding on like a shiny suit of armor, making every curve sparkle like a disco ball at midnight. Then glitter black crashes the party going, "Hold my helmet," adding mystery, edge, and pure rockstar attitude. Silver and black glitter together? This scooter isn't just riding roads, it's owning them. Fresh, breezy, and wildly unexpected. Light green just showed up like spring, decided to hop on our scooter. Those dropper-drops are basically tiny nature kisses landing on our masterpiece. Brush them in and watch this beauty bloom. Smash that like button now. Oh yes. Glitter pink is here and it refuses to be subtle. This scooter just grew a whole personality and honestly, we are completely obsessed. And finally, the grand finale, pink acrylic paint. Those gorgeous dropper-drops are falling like confetti at the world's best scooter party. Brush it in slow, brush it in with love, because this is the moment our masterpiece goes from amazing to absolutely legendary.
Wow!
Our scooter is officially dressed, dazzling, and ready to ride into the sunset like the superstar it is. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.